Oh, we're just getting ready to go up the village to the church to see the bells. We've got Laith and we got Jensen and Mummy. Mummy's coming. Mummy, come in. Where is she?
There she is.
Here she is. Here's Mummy. That's it. We're going. Is that Heidi? Where's Heidi? Where's Heidi? You shout her? Yeah. It's dark. It is dark here.
I was on my way back.
Angry. George Lucas's grave, but no one really realised that. The old soldiers' graves. That way, guys.
I'm about to say the full. We're going to get ahead of you in the queue.
There's just so many of us.
That's all right. Okay.
I'm just filming this momentous occasion.
Moment of history.
Yeah.
Morning.
It's Liam.
It is a moment of history because, of course, the last time bells were out was 1924.
24. Hold on. Can I film you saying it?
Sorry? Yeah, the last time the bells were out was in 1924. And there was, started off with 4 bells before 1924. They were upgraded to 6 when they went back in. And then after the war was over, 2 more were added. One of those bells that was added was in memory of the people who didn't come back from the Second World War.
Oh, that's good.
And the other one was as a thank you for all those who did.
Oh,
So that was,
that's pretty special. That's made me have goosebumps actually.
so that made up 8. 2 of those bells are staying up there. One because it can't be tuned and dealt with because it's a pre-Reformation bell, it goes that back that far. And the other bell is too thin to tune.
Oh,
So those 2 are staying up there. 2 new bells have already been cast and are going to go up there. And they're actually at Loughborough Bell Foundry.
right, there.
These are all going to Loughborough. They're going to be refurbished, and following the refurbishment, they're going to be all tuned together.
So they'll be going back in.
All of those that are down there now will go back in with the 2 new ones, but they're going into a position lower.
Okay.
The bells were right at the top of the tower, and they're coming down to the next, what used to be the clock tower.
Oh, right.
That means that there's less moving of the tower.
Yeah.
Because the bell
Oh,
weights
yes,
were
I see.
swinging
I
round,
see what you're saying.
right? And it was moving the tower.
Oh, I wouldn't think of that.
Been doing that for many years.
Oh, wow.
But I think it was going to just getting slightly worse. So it was time something was done about it.
Yeah.
So they're moving them down, and the new 8 bells. Oh, Sheila. The new bells and 2 new bells and those are all going to be in the clock chamber. So they're going to be easier to ring.
Yes. And still sound as beautiful.
Yes.
Always.
Hopefully, yes.
They will, they will.
Well, in fact, they probably sound better because the tenor isn't quite in tune at the moment.
Right,
the one that was up there that we can't touch.
Right.
That one wasn't quite in tune with the other 7. So when they go all back now with the 7th taking the place of the tenor,
Yeah.
slightly smaller bell, they will all be tuned together. So it probably sound a bit
I'm quite looking forward to it actually.
Yeah.
Because
We hoping to have everything back in by Christmas. So
Oh, perfect. Perfect.
Which one's got the 4 upside down?
This one, the 5. Here it is.
So recast in
Mistake on it. Yes.
1924.
Yeah. No, you're doing perfect.
Yeah, when they come back.
Yeah. Hello, George. You all right?
I'm good, Spike. How's it?
Can't believe how big they are.
I know.
Wow.
One of them not going back up, but I can't remember which one.
And they'll all be taken back up the tower.
I think it's this one that's we do.
I've heard these every Sunday morning.
I know, I have. Yeah. You especially.
Very close to them.
You're very close.
They'll refurb. And there is inside, if you see them more.
How heavy is
That one's 900. About half a ton. About the size of a mini.
Oh my god.
Something like that.
I bet that made a loud bang.
This one stays. This one stays. This stays. So that gives you 6.